Satish Kumar, Deputy Secretary, Regional Office. I am also in charge of this Hyderabad chapter of SMAI. And SMAI, this is Silk Mark Organization of India. It's a quality initiative drive, instituted by Central Silk Board during the year 2004, and we have now, as of now, we have successfully completed 10 years of its existence. And across the country, we have several chapters of this SMAI, and these chapters are doing a very wonderful job in bringing the awareness among the consumers, especially silk consumers. And through this Silk Mark Organization of India, to bring the quality awareness, so it's organizing a lot of events across the country by means of road shows, exhibitions, and pageants like this Srimati Silk, etc. And this Hyderabad chapter of SMAI has now attained a high, among all the chapters, it is the highest in all the chapters in bringing a lot of initiatives to bring the awareness among the consumers. A lot of initiatives have been taken up by this Hyderabad chapter of SMAI, and now through this Silk Mark we are bringing the not only awareness, and we are by organizing the Silk Expos and other things, we are bringing the platform for all the consumers, not only consumers, traders, weavers, dealers. So this is a single platform. We are bringing all the people together. So this is an opportunity for all the people get to know about the not only the quality, they will also get the opportunity for their product to display their product, display their quality, to bring the awareness about this one. This one indirectly we are bringing, and this Silk Mark SMAI is a forward linkage to bringing bring a link between the farmers and the traders, ultimately the manufacturers. So in that way, SMAI, this Hyderabad chapter SMAI is bringing a new initiative this year also. In addition to this Srimati Silk Mark we are going to organize this year, we are also bringing other initiatives like shows like painting competitions for children, essay competition for children, so that we are going to inculcate this silk culture from the buds itself, so that they will come to know what is about the silk, what is the traditions, Indian silk, etc. So in that way, this Hyderabad chapter is organizing this events between 23rd and 27th, the Silk Mark Expos will be held. So prior to that, we are going to organize these essay competitions and these pageants like Srimati Silk once again. So please do come participate in all the things, in all our events, and also to encourage your children, and also you encourage your spouses to come and participate in the silks exhibitions, to get to know not only the quality, and also to get the quality products in hand across the country. Whatever you are producing, the production of quality silks will get in one roof. So that is the advantage of this Silk Mark. Thank you.